it's only Siaosi and I at home, which is a good thing because that means we can do a challenge in peace and quiet. Good morning everyone, by the way. I'm a little bit gutted because we were supposed to have a games day this Anzac Day and at the park, and we were meant to do it with my little cousins, Sia, Ainga, Tua, and I think Steffi as well, but it's raining outside. It's a very wet day, so games have been cancelled, and I'm so sorry to my cousins for not including you guys. I know that they were pretty excited to be involved, but hey, don't blame me, blame the weather.
Hi guys, now we do a spicy noodle challenge. This noodle is from Singapore, it's so spicy.
Well, no, I'm not sure if you can get them in Australia, but we got them in Singapore. I can't even read what any of this says. Aussie, what does this say? Alright.
Chili.
Cheese! So, let's try and make this a little bit more fun, Siaosi. I get $100 out of our savings to spend on myself or anything that I want. If you win, you get $100 out of our savings to do whatever you want.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We're gonna start for real now. Oh, my chest is burning.
It's so chilly, man. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
Done! Woo! I won! I won! I won!
Libre.
My mouth is burning! No, I need to puke, honey. It's in my throat. Why did you do that?
Do that catfishing mukha ni cuma boga.
Well, because my mouth is burning.
I'm win.
Give me some more. No, I won, guys. I won. It hurts. I'm sweating. Palms, nose, knees are hurting. What's Eminem lyrics? But it's broke now, and now and it broke now.
Now, guys, I won. You could have paid me $100.
If you are with Team Victoria, then comment down hashtag Team Victoria.
If you're with Team
Dum Dum over here, then comment down below Team Dum Dum. I'm not a his, honey.
I finished.
I'm not a his.
She didn't drink her swabber. I finished the noodles and he finished.
That wasn't the plan. The plan was to eat the noodles. It's called a noodle challenge, not a soup challenge.
No.
Yeah.
It's part of the noodles.
Yeah. Alright, let's settle it this. We'll give it to the people.
No.
Once we upload this video, if you think I won, then comment down Team Victoria. If you think Siaosi won, Team Siaosi. Whoever gets the most votes after 2 days, so 48 hours from the time that we post the video, but we will tally up the votes after 48 hours after we post this video, because we kind of finished at the same time. I reckon I won because I said I was done first, and then he was like he done.
No.
He put one more fork spoon in his mouth and then said he was done. So
no,
I won.
I finished, and he saw.
Can you stop calling me a boy? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment below me, okay? Hashtag Victoria, Team Victoria, down below. Anyways, be sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can get our videos every time we upload. Thank you for liking. Till next time, yo. If you have any more challenges, post them down below and we will do it.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
We love you so much. Bye.
We just finished doing the spicy noodle challenge, which will be uploaded shortly. I hope you guys enjoy it. I won, just to let you know.